Hey Nora, what happened down here?
Uh,
What are you wrapping up?
um,
Tell me what happened.
well, Daddy realized that, there was a leak out of the washing machine, and now the washing machine can't work. So, and that's why I'm mopping it up.
Wow. Are you doing a good job?
Yeah,
Is it hard work?
yeah. Let me test it with my finger. Pretty dry for me.
Pretty dry? Good.
Just a little more. Just to make sure. After over. We were all worried. I was worried that we would have to sleep down here tonight.
Why would we sleep down here?
Okay.
Because of the flood?
Yeah.
But this has got flooded, not upstairs. Upstairs is nice and dry.
If it got flooded upstairs, we would have to sleep down here.
Yeah, I think you're right.
You'd have to get the nursery bed down here.
Yeah.
We would all have to sleep on the nursery bed. Someone would have to sleep on the couch.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Who gets the couch?
Victor.
Maybe me. Maybe Daddy would take the couch.
You can sleep with Mommy and me.
Oh, okay.
And Victor's gonna sleep on the couch.
Alrighty. Alright, good job, Nora. Keep up the good work.